If you want a flawless complexion, the answer might be hiding in the 19th century. Today, we are going to recreate an authentic, doctor-recommended, chemical-free skincare routine from 1896. While the Victorian era is infamous for its toxic cosmetics and lead paints, this manual, published in 1896, actually preached a completely natural approach to personal beauty. We are going to make 2 of these 19th century products entirely from scratch, and in the process, learn the lost art of the friction cleanse. To follow along, you will need a few specific items. Gather some fresh horseradish, sour milk, a high-quality fine soap, a flannel cloth, a coarse towel, glycerin, rose water, and finally, magnesia powder. Mastering the 19th century standard of beauty depends as much on the exact, rigorous physical techniques used to prepare the skin as it does on the ingredients themselves. Step 1 actually begins a full day in advance, so we can prepare a specialized botanical wash. This text clearly outlines our first action. Scrape horseradish into a cup of sour milk. A common mistake here is rushing the process. The manual specifies that you must let it stand 12 hours for the ingredients to properly react. Once that waiting period is over, strain the mixture. You will be left with a clear, pungent liquid that is ready to use on your face. This time-intensive preparation served as the historical equivalent of a modern chemical peel. It utilized the natural enzymatic action of the sour milk and the horseradish root instead of harsh lab-made synthetics. With the botanical wash prepared, we move to the morning routine at the washing station to begin the actual cleanse. Warning tone. Before we start, there is a strict rule you must follow. Never use cold water on the face. This passage shows the medical reasoning of the time. Warm water is required to excite gentle perspiration, whereas cold water allows the alkali found in soap to severely irritate delicate skin. Next, you need the specialized tool required for the wash, a doubled-over piece of flannel or serge fabric. Washing with bare hands is a mistake in this regimen because hands cannot effectively remove residual solid matter from the pores. Take your flannel, lather it with your fine soap, and gently scrub your face. Finish the cleanse with a warm water rinse. The Victorian cleanse treated dirt and the skin's natural debris as a mechanical layer to be buffed away with fabric, rather than chemically dissolved. Now for the immediate post-wash step. Put down your soft modern fabric and pick up a coarse textured towel. Vigorously wipe and rub the skin completely dry to manually stimulate the blood flow across your face. The manual states that this specific friction technique will impart a healthy glow and a slight, natural pink hue. When evening comes, the routine shifts. Under the section titled Washes for the Face, the author introduces a natural, harmless alternative to the heavy, toxic lead paints common in the 19th century. Temper a few drops of glycerin with a splash of rose water and apply it to gently dampen your face. For the final physical step, dip a soft puff into the finest magnesia powder and lightly dust it over the dampened skin. The powder binds to the moisture, creating a matte, smooth finish that imparts what the book calls a charming whiteness. By combining rigorous friction stimulation with natural mineral powders, women achieved the era's coveted pale, matte aesthetic without risking heavy metal poisoning. Here is the final completed look. You are left with beautifully clean, matte, and glowing skin that exactly matches the authentic 1890s aesthetic. The skin feels completely revitalized. You get the gentle acid exfoliation from the sour milk and horseradish wash, paired with the lasting shine control properties of the magnesia powder. You've just successfully completed a rigorous 130-year-old beauty regimen. Let me know in the comments how your skin feels after trying the flannel scrub, and be sure to subscribe for more historical tutorials. True skincare efficacy relies on enduring, time-tested principles. Manual exfoliation and raw botanicals were delivering real results long before the modern beauty